Staghorn Sumac, that funky looking plant that looks like an upside down grape cluster. You've seen it as you've been zipping down the interstate right by it. Well, hit the friggin' brake. Sumac contains phenol acids and flavonoids such as gallic acid and malic acid, which are potent antioxidants. These acids give it a sour, citrusy lemon flavor. So one of the easiest ways to utilize it, throw it in some sun tea. The pharmacologically active compounds in this plant are water soluble, so it's a great way to get this goodness into your body. Besides finding it on the side of the road, sumac likes sunny trail sides, so you most likely see it while you're out on a hike. So reach over, give it a squeeze, and then lick your hand. If it tastes like a Willy Wonka lemon miracle, it's ripe.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Also, sumac is known to be a rich source of HT tannins. While being an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-ulcerative, it's also an anti-angiogenic. What the heck is that? Well, get this. Angiogenesis means growth of new blood vessels, and this is anti-angiogenic. Why is this good? Because it can slow down or reverse tumor growth by stopping it from growing its own blood vessels. That's pretty amazing. Aren't you glad you hit the brakes? Although I suggest you venture deeper into some public land to harvest it. Runoff and exhaust can settle on the plants right next to the road, and you don't want to get that in your body. So go fill up a basket with the drupes, take them home, dehydrate them, use your preferred method, separate the berries, and pulse them in a blender to remove the seeds. The result is a seasoning long used in Middle Eastern cooking, where it's as common as salt and pepper. Imagine that. Salt and pepper shakers growing on trees. Although money doesn't grow on trees, remember one thing: foraging is free.